guys, I'm Kristen Strout, adrenaline junkie tomboy from Nashville, Tennessee. I love racing cars, riding motorcycles, you name it. My passion for cars and bikes kind of started when my cool uncle, he would buy and fix up and sell Corvettes, and he also rode Harleys. Yeah, I've been just super into motorsports ever since then. So I got into racing actually working for a race team as a promo model slash umbrella girl. And unlike the other umbrella girls that kind of didn't care about the racing and just did whatever, I asked a lot of questions I wanted to learn, and the pro driver actually gave me he took me in the passenger seat, took me on a hot lap, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, I want to drive. They let me drive with the pro driver in the passenger seat. They actually started bringing me to a lot of their testing and practice track days, even helped me get my racing license and all that. So I got into racing, got a lot of experience from a pro driver, which was great. I've just been riding my bikes a lot, especially my R1. Every time I get on that bike, I love it. It's the only time my brain kind of shuts off. That same thing behind the wheel at a racetrack. I'm excited to be partnering with Engine Builder and MPN, and you can find me on my socials at Kristen Strout Racing.